close. The plane is very durable. My favorite plane. It's very durable. I broke it numerous times, and every time works like nothing happened. No other plane is gonna sustain so much damage and still be working fine. Like amazingly durable. That's my favorite plane. This number tells everything. That's a number 5. So I have a 5 models like this. Ne možeš snimat kad je, razumijete, brzo leti, titan je model, sunce, nema oblaka, razumiješ, kamera se zbunjuje zašto nema oblaka i onda je sve plavo. Jednostavno htio sam da izbjegnem ovo sranje i nisam izbjegao. Sve je lijepo, ali ne možeš protiv prirode. Kad smo došli malo ranije, ne krivim tebe, ne kažem. Sam kažem šta je, ne možeš. Vidiš da dere, toliko nije zanimljivo. Toliko dere, da je tu. Evo. Come on and check. Which can survive roll hitting on such hard ground and don't break anything. Just there is no way any other plane will survive. There's damage here, impact damage here. The hole didn't break. It doesn't have a spark, doesn't have anything. They don't make it anyway anymore. They they stop producing it. But it's I think it's a shame because it's out of the box plane. I made way extra these guys worked as a child. Oh well, more luck next time.